Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today's video we are going to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square. The question is 3x square plus 4x minus 15 equals to 0. And this what we can do. The question is 3x square plus 4x minus 15 equals to 0. We will add 15 both sides. So this will become 3x square plus 4x. This will got cancelled equals to 15. Now we have to make this a single digit. So we will divide whole equation by 3. So this will become x square plus 4 by 3x equals to 5. Now in completing the square we have to split the middle term, that is 4 by 3 we will multiply by half, that will become 4 by 6. Further we will simplify it, this will become 2 by 3. Now the value we got 2 by 3, we will square it. So our equation became x square plus 4 by 3x plus 2 by 3 square equals 5 plus 2 by 3 square. Clear? Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So this can be written as x plus 2 by 3 whole square equals 5. This will become 4 by 9. This can be written as 5 by 1 plus 4 by 9. Factorization method, what we will do, we will cross multiply. This will get 45 and this will get 4. Our numerator is 49 and denominator into, that is 9. So the value we get, that is 49 by 9. Now we will square root both sides. (49 by 9). So from here this square and square root got cancelled. The value we got x plus 2 by 3 equals, this is 7 and this is 3. We will take this side, this is plus minus, means x equals to plus minus 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Clear? So from here we got two value of x, that is plus 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3, and second value is minus 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3. This will become, our denominator is same, this will become 7 minus 2, that is 5 by 3, and here 3 minus 7 minus 2, that is minus 9 by 3. So the value we get is minus 3 and 5 by 3. This is the answer of our quadratic equation. This 3x square plus 4x minus 15. Answer we got is minus 3 and 5 by 3. Don't forget the steps and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.